Academic Referencing Help is a specialized service offered by Regroup Technology, aimed at providing support and guidance to students, researchers, and academics in correctly citing and referencing sources in their academic work. Referencing is a critical aspect of scholarly writing, ensuring that authors give proper credit to the original sources of information they use and enabling readers to locate and verify the referenced sources. At Regroup Technology, we understand the complexities and challenges associated with academic referencing. Different academic disciplines and institutions often have their own specific referencing styles and guidelines, such as Upper, MLA, Chicago, Harvard, or IEEE, among others. Our team of experts is well versed in these various styles and can provide tailored assistance to help you navigate the intricacies of each. Our Academic Referencing Help service covers a wide range of needs, including citation style guidance. We offer guidance on selecting the appropriate citation style for your academic work based on your discipline, institution, or publisher's requirements. Our experts can help you understand the nuances of each style and ensure that your citations are formatted correctly and consistently throughout your document. Reference List Compilation. We assist in compiling comprehensive reference lists or bibliographies that include all the sources cited in your academic work. Our team ensures that each entry in the reference list is accurate, complete, and properly formatted according to the chosen citation style. Citation Management Tools. We provide guidance on using citation management tools such as Zotero, Mendeley, or EndNote to streamline the process of organizing, managing, and formatting citations and references in your academic work. Plagiarism Checking. We offer plagiarism checking services to help you ensure the originality and integrity of your academic work. Our experts use sophisticated plagiarism detection tools to identify any instances of unintentional plagiarism and provide recommendations for proper citation and paraphrasing. Whether you are a student writing a research paper, a researcher preparing a manuscript for publication, or an academic compiling a thesis or dissertation, our Academic Referencing Help service is here to support you in accurately and effectively citing your sources. With Regroup Technology as your partner, you can ensure that your academic work meets the highest standards of integrity and professionalism. Contact us today to learn more about how we can assist you with your academic referencing needs.